Dale.
Alright, so this is foundation that they're drawing comb on. I can see that they got brood in here. She's got brood. They're drawing out this comb. Probably on both sides. We're going to take a look at it.
I'm going to have to go a little far because they're getting a little bit excited. And I didn't bring any jack or anything. That's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, this is a new frame and that's all brood.
That's all new?
Brood. That's brood. This is honey.
That's
there.
oh
This is all
goodness.
brood.
Look, did they did that
They
themselves?
did this. This is a new hive. This is the new
Wow.
frame. So they're also doing it on the other side.
Look at that. That's beautiful.
So we're going to go ahead and give them a few more frames up top with comb in it
We love you, sweetie. Don't bite me.
that are going to be above the, these. This is the main brood right here.
Don't bite me, please. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. We love you. Amore. Amore is what? It's a bee in Italian and Latin. Has to do with bee.
Amore,
Amore.
which means love.
Amore.